This is Beatboxing for Babies. This is Anirudh. Anirudh's a little bit of a baby himself, and he's going to be teaching me a very simple sound.
Yep. So we're going to be learning the click sound, which goes something like.
It's simple. We all do this sound. Can you explain it to me?
So basically, it's one of the sounds which we've been doing since we're kids. It's sort of like you take the top part of your tongue and you hit it to the bottom of your palate, but with your teeth. So it's like.
Okay, so your tongue goes up to the top part of your mouth, and you pull it down swiftly.
Yeah, but then you got to make sure that your tongue is hitting your teeth. So it's sort of like.
Okay. Can you use it in a beat?
Yeah. So something like.
Nice. And you change the tone of that. How do you do that?
So that sort of depends on the way you move your mouth.
Okay.
So if you open your mouth wider, it's going to make a little bit of a high pitch sound, so it's like. But
Smile, it goes higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you are changing your mouth to an O position, so that it goes to a lower frequency. So you can play around with that. So it's something like.
Nice. Very nice. This is Beatboxing for Babies. We'll see you in the next episode.